morning. It's Saturday and we made it here safely. I think we left at about 9:15 p.m. on Friday night, and I believe we got here about 12:45. That last part was on the dirt road and it was really slow going, just like you read. Super bumpy. Fine, if you just take it slowly. We went 5 miles per hour. There is Craig already taking his pictures. We slept in because we couldn't go to bed once we got here. It took us a little while to set up because it was dark and the sand was wet, and had to figure out a spot, which we did. And so we didn't go to bed till 3:30 or 4. It's like 10 a.m. We'll definitely be up for sunrise tomorrow. What is amazing about this place, I'm going to go here, is as we were driving in, we're not going to be able to really see the spires, the tufas, like other people talk about. Down there is the outhouse. But then all of a sudden you can see they're just the dark form, and here they are. Here's our RV. When you watch the videos and look at the pictures, I'm telling you, it's not the same as standing here and looking at it. Because as we're driving in, it's just, I think the first words out of my mouth were, "Those are weird," and then I said, it's just totally unreal. The pictures, and even the video, don't like do it justice. It's just so strange and cool, quiet. So we're gonna have our breakfast and then catch up with you later. Okay.
First time, let's see what happens here.
Don't crash it, babe.
Try again. Number 2.
I think men have a fascination with remote control things. Oh! Woo! Ew, it's like a swarm of locusts. Or what I imagine that would sound like. You're not recording, babe? You're just... Oh, you are? How do you know which way the camera is going?
It's pointing away from you right now.
Oh my gosh. Does it say how high it can go? Will it give you like a warning signal? Okay. It sounds like a swarm of locusts. It looks like a gigantic locust flying in the air. I have no idea where it is now. It's flying into the... Where is it? Babe, where is it? Oh. The clouds look like storybook clouds. First flight.
That's the first one.
The Locust has landed.
Beautiful.
It's Saturday night and Craig has made this great fire from scratch. Gathered up the rocks. And as you can see, it's windy, but it's okay. And we rode our tandem all around. I would highly recommend that you bring, if you have mountain bike, dirt bike, because then you can explore some of the parts that are farther out and then just leave your bike there and kind of hike for a while and come back and explore another area. So my husband was very smart to bring the bicycle. I said no because I thought desert and sand and there'd be, not sand, like dust blowing in our faces, but it's not like that at all here. It's like the ground is just sand. So did an awesome flight with the drone. What'd you do with the drone, babe?
Took video, took pictures. Today was the first day we did it. This morning was the first flight.
Mm-hmm.
And then we did one over beyond the tufas. Did a little bit. Got a little scary. Went a little far away. Got a little confused, but it has this great return to home button, which is perfect. And then we did another flight, which was good.
Mm-hmm.
Susan's gonna fly it tomorrow.
I'm gonna try it tomorrow. We saw no other RVs here. One tent camper on the other side, one van camper, a lot of day trippers with their ATVs and stuff like that.
They must rent ATVs and dirt bikes in the town nearby, because that looked like it was a group.
Mm-hmm, big group.
Kids and parents and people.
Yep. So my idea is when our sons are old enough to drive ATVs, because I'm pretty sure you have to be at least 16, that we will bribe them to come out here so that they can use the drone, ride ATVs, make movies, stuff like that. And what else? Oh, the tufas, which you cannot even see in the blackness, are really cool at night. They're just these strange, dark forms. So I think I like them better at night than even, it's fun to climb during the day, but cool to look at night. Okay.